So we're using this coconut, which is 8 months old. It can only be done using this old coconut, as the flesh in the green coconut is quite soft. So the flesh in this 8-month-old coconut looks like this one here. And then they'll use that coconut rusk in this fire, which I'm guessing will cook the coconut oil on.
You wanna try to do it?
What's that? Do you know what? I would try it, but I like my fingers in one piece. My fingers is okay. And my toes as well. So once the coconut's been extracted, they'll be grating it just like that. Well, I say they, but I think I'm going to go and join them now as well. Are you tired? You're saying the men work in the rice fields during the daytime, harvesting their crops, etc., while the women do the cooking and cleaning.
I think the women work harder.
I think they both work hard. If you look at the men in the farms, they're carrying those bamboos, chopping down trees. We just seen one climbing a tree as well with no rope. Just to get a few coconuts, one-handed with a machete.
Chilling.
I won't call it chilling, I'd call it hanging around. Get it? So how many coconuts went in here? Two coconuts. So this is a lemongrass. Is that fresh from your garden? Yeah? Right, you got it right now?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Feels quite nice.
Yeah. In that pot's just the shredded coconut and a bit of water.
Yeah.
So in there's fresh lemongrass from their garden, and they've just squeezed out all the coconut with the water, kind of coconut milk, fresh coconut milk. And the lady over there is just preparing the fire, which that pot's going to go on. So on the fire's gone the pot with 2 coconuts worth of coconut milk and fresh lemongrass. Ronnie, how long do they boil this for?
Almost 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
How long?
So they boil that for 30 minutes.
It's still stronger in here, isn't it?
It kind of moves with the wind.
But do you not come sit here? Moves with the bloody wind. I'm moving in a minute.
So she's pretty much boiled it down to a thick grey consistency. The process took about...
Half an hour?
Yeah, about half an hour. So the oil's been drained out into that pot and just left this rusk, this sweet coconut biscuit type texture. It's like digestive crumbles, doesn't it?
Smells delicious. Thank you. Here's the one. That is really nice, actually.
What does it taste like?
Coconutty and lemongrassy and biscuity.
Biscuity, yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Very lemongrassy.
So it's more green, yeah?
Yeah, it's more green. More green because of the lemongrass as well. If you want to know how to make coconut oil infused with lemongrass, that's how you make it.
Coconut oil. Pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah. Are you going to try some on you?
What now?
Yeah. Might as well.
Quite warm still.
Yeah, why not? Do you have to wait for it to cool down before you use it? It's okay now.
You can use it when it's hot.
massage a bit into my hand. Yeah, just like a moisturiser.
And that's Ronnie.
Can't even
If
see
you
it.
want to learn how to make coconut oil, or you want to see how to make coffee process, come see Ronnie at
Alsasaki.
Alsasaki Homestay in Tetebatu. And that's his aunt. And she can also make the best tempeh curry.
But the best anything.
Best anything.
All her food's delicious.